Hi folks, my name is Mike Pittman. I'm the president and owner of Connected Solutions Group. We are here live in our warehouse today in Richmond, Virginia, and I'm going to give you guys a brief tutorial on our mobile command center product. You may have seen some stuff online or via social media about the mobile command center. We're very proud of this product. This is a kit that we spent about 7 months working on, really focusing on trying to find a more affordable way to build a rapid deploy box, a rapid deploy network in a box, but also give it a lot more feature set and abilities to mold to different verticals and make it more of a flexible unit that could be utilized across a lot of different landscapes. So what you essentially have here is a on-demand mobile networking call center that is rapidly deployable, rugged, and can be set up in less than 10 minutes. This is a completely Verizon-powered kit. It runs off of the Verizon LTE network from a Verizon-based router of your choice, two Verizon T46GW Wi-Fi OneTalk phones and the supporting OneTalk VoIP protocol that is all cloud-based, obviously. These are powered through an 8-port PoE switch made by Netgear, ultimately powered by a Tesla Core battery system which powers the entire kit. What makes this kit kind of unique is not only is it drastically under the price point of a lot of other similar solutions kind of out there in the market, but it has a lot of features that allow it to be more easily deployed and usable out when you're in the field. All of these different pieces of this kit fold out to become breathable when they're out in the environment and being utilized. The router, the battery, you have a laptop stand, the phones actually can detach and be carried off and moved and work in different areas of your work site depending on what you guys have going on. So a couple key aspects are the fact that this entire thing is upgradable, customizable to exactly what you need it to be. The phones can change, they can be upgraded or downgraded to different phones. You can have video calling capabilities if you need. The router itself, you can have any wide range of Verizon connected routers associated with this kit. This can go as low end or high end as you need it to go depending on your application. You can install extra antennas if you feel like you need to. There are a lot of different options for antenna upgrades that can attach to the outside of the box. You can even upgrade the battery system if you want. This one currently on this kit is TSA compliant because it's 4200 mAh battery. If you want to go up to 5600 mAh battery, you can actually do that, get a few more hours of talk time, but it then becomes not TSA compliant for traveling on a plane. So right now, as the system sits, it does give you 10 to 12 hours of complete up and running time and functionality on one charge on this 4200 mAh Tesla Core battery system that we designed this particular kit with. If you go to the upgrade, that can go up to an additional 2 to 4 hours depending on exactly how you guys are utilizing the kit. So the actual case itself is crush resistant, it's rust proof, it has a lifetime guarantee, it's weatherproof, it can actually be submerged in water for a period of time when it's completely closed and shut up, and it's designed to be capable of flying and fit in carry-on, so you can carry it onto a plane. We've actually traveled around the country with it a number of times, and they do give you a little longer look in the TSA lines, but it will get you through TSA with this kit. It locks at multiple points. It allows you to add ancillary locks onto the system. It has wheels on the bottom and a roller handle, so you can roll it around as opposed to having to carry it to different localities. So overall, guys, I cannot emphasize enough the flexibility and the different ways that we can customize this kit to your exact needs and specification requirements. So we have solution engineers that put together this kit who can listen to exactly how you're going to utilize it, different use cases, and kind of build a box custom for your exact needs. I wanted to go ahead and play an actual call connection utilizing the Verizon OneTalk protocol here, so you can hear the call quality, get a general idea for how it sounds and the latency. And I'm just going to connect to a radio station real quick so you can hear it. And then as you can see, it connects quickly. There's not a lot of latency.
Welcome to WTOP. on Audio Now. Installation of 38% stake in the company.
Sound is clear and it's very cut and dry. We've tested that functionality aspect of the device thoroughly and been very happy with the results overall. But again, so many different things you can do here. You can go for a much higher end LTE advanced router with, on up to Cat 11 and more of the state-of-the-art routing technology that's out there. And you can make a lot of different changes to the system in general to make it fit your exact needs. We actually are planning on kitting up at least 3, we're going to go with 3 for now, of these units that CSG, upon the launch of this video and of this product, is going to use as donations for customers or clients or anything that we see in the news, anybody that we feel like can benefit from having this type of situation to potentially help people in need. So we're gonna have 3 kits live. If you're watching this, if you guys see any scenarios that you feel like a CSG Verizon powered mobile command center would be a benefit, please reach out to us. We're gonna have our number on the screen here. We're gonna have our email and contact information so you guys can reach out to us, and we'll definitely make sure to get them out as soon as we can. Once again, my name is Mike Pittman. I'm the president and owner of Connected Solutions Group. We appreciate you guys clicking on the link today. If we can answer any questions at all, we'd love to hear from you, and otherwise, take care.